Hello, my name's Kieran Bowden from Retail Assist, where I'm Head of Business Development. I've been with Retail Assist for the last 3 years, but previously I've spent 15 years within the retail and hospitality industry supporting their IT solution needs. We've been talking to a lot of our retail and hospitality clients, and fundamentally they all seem to have unique requirements that they need to fulfill to enable reopening of their businesses. But fundamentally what it boils down to is understanding when they can reopen, but the hard part is how they can reopen given the constraints that are levied upon them at the moment. Add to this the dimension that they're going to be opening into a restricted environment with likely reduced trade. They need to work out how they maximise how they operate while still being able to trade safely. So given this, at Retail Assist, what we've been doing is rapidly working out how we can help those retail and hospitality clients achieve this. OMIO Motion is born out of tried and tested existing technology that's been augmented and repurposed to provide retailers with a solution that safely helps them monitor and manage the occupancy of their retail trading environments. What our experience tells us is that this goes far beyond just people counting, particularly when the safety of customers and staff are paramount. Now, the types of factors that need to be considered in any solution are things like social distancing, whether that's inside or outside of the stores. It needs to factor in that many environments have got multiple entrances and exits, and also potentially multiple floors, all of which need zonal management and the ability to control the occupancy levels and report on that. As we move through the journey of reopening our trading environments, we also need the flexibility to be able to change those rules as we go along. And OMIO Motion is a system that allows you to do that at either a local level, at a store level, or also at a central level, managed and reported across an entire estate if needed. What this will enable retailers to do is to be able to report on compliance to these standards, which will give their customers and also their staff the assurances they need to make sure that they're protected in the workplace and their shopping locations. The system has been designed to minimise installation complexity and can even be deployed in standalone format because speed is of the essence here. This means that we really could be enabling safe store reopenings within days and weeks rather than months. We can see a return on investment achieved within weeks for retailers compared to the costs of not opening at all, delaying reopening, or actually hiring additional staff to exercise the same level of control over occupancy.